Good morning, class. Good morning once more. I hope class 7, you have been okay the whole week. And we are continuing to revise. As you can see, in front of me, we have class 7 revision. And we tackled from number 1 to number 40. But now, we need to finish what we started. So we'll move directly to question number 41. But just before we continue, somebody to tell me something is lacking. What is that? Very good. That is our formula. That is router. R for reading. R for reading. U for understanding. T for thinking. And the A, it is for what? For answering. We go to question number 41. You are told that Ageline, somebody called Ageline, sold 3 shirts at shillings 150 each. If she had bought all the shirts at shillings 300, what was her percentage profit? Class 7, using our formula, that is router, we have already read. U for understanding. How do we find the percentage profit? How do we find the percentage profit? Very good. That is profit over the buying price times 100 what? Percent. This is what we call buying price. How do we get the profit? Very good. That is profit will be quoted by selling price minus the buying what? Price. We get profit by subtracting selling price minus the buying price. So now, the next step, T for thinking. Now, we are told Ageline sold 3 shirts at shillings 150 each. They were 3. But each one of them costed 150, meaning it is 150 times 3, which is, class 7, it's a simple sum. What is 150 times 3? Hurry up. Yes, that is 450. Very good. Now, we have the buying price. It was 300. Shillings. Now, what was the percentage profit? What was the percentage profit? As you can see, we have said that profit is gotten by selling price minus the buying price. Selling price, it is 450. Buying price, it was 300. 0, 5, 1. This is what we call the what? The profit. Selling price minus the buying what? Price. So, it is 150 over the original buying price. Buying price. 300 times the 100 what? Percent. 0 by 0 goes. 0 by 0 goes, by 3, 1 by 3 what? 5. 5 times 10 is 50%. 50%. We go to question number 42. 42 being our question. 42, that is where we are. We are in question number 42. Let's see. It states, work out liters, milliliters. 21, 230, 7 times. Now, using our formula, that is rooter, I want you to see R for reading, we have read. U for understanding. We are dealing with the liters and the milliliters. Now, who can tell me the connection between the two? How many milliliters make 1 liter? Litrodams containing magic. Litrodams containing magic. Litrodams containing magic. This is liters. Deciliters. Centiliters. Milliliters. All right. 1. So it is 1,000 milliliters. It is going to give us 1 what? 1 liter. 1,000 milliliters gives us 1 liter. All right. So you multiply 230 times 7. 0 times 7 is any number multiplied by 0. It gives us what? 0. 3 times 7, 21. Call it 2. 2 times 7, 14. Plus 2, 16. Are we supposed to write 16 there? If it reaches 1,000, we must subtract the 1,000. Because 1,000 milliliters gives us what? 1 liter. So this is past 1,000. So subtract the 1,000. 0, 1, 6. How many 1,000 have you multiplied? Class 7, that's a very simple sum. It is only 1. So write 1 here on the side of liters. So how many are you left with? 610 milliliters. Now, come here on this side. 21 times 7, 7. 14 plus what we carried plus 1, 148. So what is the answer? 148 liters. And how many milliliters? 610 milliliters. We go to question number 43. Number 43, that is where we are. Question number 43. Number 43, that is where we are. You are told, how many edges does the cuboid have? Below. How many edges does the cuboid have? Does the cuboid does what? Have. Does the cuboid have? How many edges does what? The cuboid have. I want you to know this class class what? Class 7. You see, for you to get mathematics correct, you need to be so accurate. You need to be so accurate. And you need to know this. Getting mathematics, what is required, makes you a very important person in the future. Just see. That is a cuboid. Even if mine is sleeping. I want you to see. Edges are the lines. The lines. That is what we call edges. Vertices are the corners. Vertices. These are the corners. Corner 1, corner 2, corner 3, corner 4, corner 5, corner 6, corner 7, corner 8. Meaning, it has 8 vertices. But now we are asked about the edges. Edges, these are the lines. Let's locate them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. We have this one that is studying. This one. 11. And we also have the one that is here. That is 12. So we have 12 edges. 12 edges. 12 edges. Question number 44. Question number 44. Number 44. Question number 44. That is where we are. If you have a box there at home, you can be able to count those lines. Make sure that you count them. Check whether they are 12. We go to question number 44. You are told somebody called Onyango. 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 Hand a square plot of land measuring 800 meters. 800 meters. What is the area in R's? What is the area in R's? Now, using our formula, that is root R for reading, we have already read. U for thinking. Oh, no, not for thinking, but for the studying. You can just see. Here before us, we have R's. Now, we also have meters. How many meters make one R? The sum is very simple. But some of you, when the teacher is in class, some of you think that the sum is so difficult and they just tell the teacher that they want to go outside to the latrine. I don't know why. I don't know if their stomach starts misbehaving at that point. The sum is very simple. Now, how many R's make 1 meter? It is 100. 100 meters squared. They give us one array. Array. What about the hectares? Hectares. Hectares is the mdosi. So that is the 10 what? 10,000 meters squared gives us 1 hectare. But R, it is only 100. Hectare, it is 10,000. 10,000. Now, as you can see, I think you are not going to run outside because the sum is very important and so simple. Tell your stomach not to misbehave if you are that kind of a person. Just to see the square plot of land. Square, all signs equal. It is having 800 meters. So on the other side, it's 800 meters. Okay, how do we find the area of a square? Square. Side times what? Side. 800 times 8 what? Antlind. 8 times 8 is what? 64. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. Meters squared. Meters squared. You are not supposed to give your answer to meters squared. You are supposed to give your answer in R's. So you give your answer like this. Surely you will go outside loving that you have gotten the sum correct. But you'll find a very big zero after marking. Divide by what? 100. So 100 is for converting to R's. 2 zeros and 2 zeros. The answer is 64 R's. 64 R's. Question number 45. 45. Question number 45. Convert 2.5 tons into grams. Into grams now. Using our formula, that is router. R for reading. We have already read. U for understanding. How many grams make 1 ton? How many grams make 1 ton? Very good. That is 1,000,000. What has that pupil done so that he can tell us that 1,000,000 grams make 1 ton? We have somebody called Tony. Tony's kitchen. Tony's kitchen ground. Tony's kitchen ground. Tony's kitchen ground, meaning T for tons, K for kgs, and G for grams. Are we together? Tony's kitchen what? Ground. All right. You can just see Tony's kitchen ground is giving us the way forward. How many kgs make 1 ton? It is 1,000. How many grams make 1 kilogram? Another 1,000. So now, you can see how many grams make 1 ton. You have 1,000 times 1,000, which is 1,000,000. 1,000,000. So 1,000,000 grams equals to 1 ton. What about 2.5 tons? Cross multiply. 2.5 times 1,000,000. 1 decimal, 1 0 goes with 1 decimal. That one and this one. So the answer is 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grams. Grams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grams. Now, the sum was so simple. Question number 46. Number 46. That is where we are. Question number 46. You are asked, a box measures 0.5 meters by 0.4 meters by actually 0.3 meters. What is the volume? What is the volume? What is the volume in centimeters cubed? Now, class 7, look at this. This is the router. It is not for decoration. This is not, we are not preparing for Christmas. You see, this is R for reading. A box measuring 0.5 meters by 0.4 meters by 0.3 meters. What is the volume in centimeters cubed? U for understanding. Not understanding where you came from. It is understanding where the sum came from or what are you supposed to do. Now, centimeters and meters. How many centimeters make 1 meter? Centimeters make 1 meter. How many centimeters make 1 meter? Huh? How many centimeters make 1 meter? As you can see here with me, I have the blackboard ruler. That is for the teacher. This qualifies to be 1 meter. A ruler of a teacher, blackboard ruler, it is 1 meter. The ruler is 1 what? Meter. From here to here, it is 1 meter. If you see calibration here on the side of centimeters, you have 0 to another digits that are listed there. On the other side, it measures 100. 100. Let's see if it is correct. You have the formula: Kenya has many dams containing what? Magic. Containing magic. Kilometers, hectometers, decameters, meters. This is meters. Decimeters, centimeters, and millimeters. How many centimeters make 1 meter? Centimeter. Meters. Which one is above the other? It is meters. Right one. Now, up to where centimeter is, put zeros. 0, 0. Have we arrived to the centimeters? Yes. So how many centimeters make 1 meter? 100. Only that. 100 centimeters will give us 1 meter. Now, so what about 0.5 meters? You multiply 100 centimeters, 1 meter. What about 0.4 meters? Again, 100 centimeters, it is 1 meter. What about 0.3 meters? You go on cross multiplying. 0.5 times 100, 0.1 goes with 1, that is 50 centimeters. The other one, 0.4 times 100, 0 goes with 1, that is 40 centimeters. 0.3 times 100, 1 0 goes with 1, that is 30 centimeters. Now, you are told, what is the volume? What is the volume? Volume is gotten by length times width times height. So it is 50 times 40 times 30. 5 times 4, 20. 20 times 3, 60. And these 3 zeros. Centimeters. Because it is volume, we cannot write 60,000 goats or rats or the one that is there in your home. That might be the little cat. So it is centimeters what? Cubic. Centimeters cubic. Question number 47. We are coming to the end of this paper. We are coming to the end of this paper. Now, question number 47. You are told to convert. Convert 0.02 into fraction. Some of you may not be able to read this word. They may call it fraction, but it is not fraction. It is fraction. Whatever you are going to, the pronunciation you are going to use. So convert. So what are you supposed to do? Class 7. A very simple sum. Make sure that this number, it is written into a fraction. It is 2 over what? 100. Very good. You cannot leave this number like that. By 2, 1 by 2 what? 50. So the answer is 1 over 50. Imagine. Class 7, I think you need to continue revising a very simple sum. As you can see, I'm pointing at it. Okay, 48. Question number 48. Question number 48. Question number 48. Change 900 AM 900 AM into 24 hours clock system. Clock system. This is number what? Number 48. Now, as you can see, you are told to change that into what? 24-hour clock system. A very simple sum. Class 7. I think it is in class 5. Let's see if you can be able to get it. R for reading. We have already read. U for understanding. Now, I said earlier on when we were revising, if you see AM in 24-hour clock system, it should start with 0. If you see a number not starting with 0, it is not AM. 0200. It is in AM. So what is this in AM? Come on, 0900 hours. It is so simple. I think some of you need to be to wake up. We already said if it is in AM, it should start with 0 if it is in 24-hour clock system. So we go to question number 49, approaching the end of this paper. You are told to use the bar graph. Use the bar graph. Question number 49. Use the bar graph. Use the bar graph. We have a bar graph drawn here. A very simple sum. So simple. So simple. We have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and lastly 80. On this other side that is horizontal, we have Monday, we have Tuesday, we have Wednesday, we have Thursday, and finally we have Friday. Okay, now, so the first one is here. The second one. The fourth one, it is exactly here. The fifth one, it should be located at least here. The last one, it is exactly there. Now, okay, let's see how it looks like. Yeah, let's see how it looks like. Somebody is saying that the teacher has just kept quiet. I'm not quiet. I'm not yet quiet. The sum is so simple. Simple than you can imagine. Simple than you can do what? Imagine. Very, very simple than anything else. All right. It is so simple. It is so simple. We have here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and the right tree are Friday. And we have the bar graph shaded. The bar graph is now shaded. The bar graph is already now shaded. As you can see, as you can just see, we have the writings there. The writings there. Okay, now you are told, question number 49. You are told, what was the average number of eggs collected in the first 3 days? What was the average number of eggs collected in the first 3 days of the week? Now, class 7, just see. R for reading, we have already read. U for understanding. Now, you need to see or list the number of eggs produced each and every day. Monday, they produced 40 eggs. Tuesday, let's read all of us. It is 50. Now, the third day, that is Wednesday, they produced what? 30 eggs. So, how many eggs altogether did they produce? 0 plus 0 plus 0 is what? 0. 4 plus 5 is what? 9 plus 3, 12. 120. Okay, now, the average, you divide by the total number of days that you have added. Divide by 1, 2, 3. That is what we find the average. By 3, 1 by 3, what? 40. So the average of the 3 days is 40 eggs. 40 eggs. We go to the last question. The last question of all. Question number 50. Number 50. That is where we are. Number 50 reads, which 2 consecutive days were the eggs highest? Which 2 consecutive days were the eggs highest? Alright, this is a very simple sum. You see, some of you fail because they don't use their eyes properly. I don't know why. Consecutive days, these are 2 days following each other. Either Monday or Tuesday, either Tuesday and Wednesday, either Wednesday and Thursday, either Thursday and Friday, either Monday and Tuesday. They are following each other, not Monday and Wednesday. That is what we call consecutive. Now, somebody to tell me which 2 days, consecutive days, did they collect the highest? Very good. That is a clap to that person who has just answered that. That is Thursday and Friday, consecutive days. They were the highest. You can see. You can just see. We have come to the end of our lesson for today. Before I finish, I'd like to tell you that class 7, you need to put more effort on revision. Continue revising each and every day. Remember, handwork pays and never goes unrewarded. There is no way you can work without getting any pay. Do this. Work hard, class 7. We will be continuing with other subjects. So make sure that you stay tuned to Uvoro TV, Goku Negwetu.